And how is it 12?
It's 59.
Ma'am, finally you came.
Yeah, I'm on time. In fact, I'm before time.
Because
You kids
this
have joined early. You kids have joined early today.
Ma'am, but this whole 20 minutes we had to hear fun singing.
What? Aisha, turn on your camera first.
1 minute.
What all you're sending in the group about that prayer?
Good afternoon.
What is it? Yeah. Amatur, Aisha. English
That
one?
was a,
Okay.
no, that was a letter for friends.
Okay. How are you, Izan? After a long time, I'm seeing you. How are you?
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'm coming.
I'm good.
Amatur, Abdullah, come on, turn on your camera. Where is Adiba?
Adiba was just here last class.
What?
Adiba was here just like last class, but now she's not here.
She was not there?
She was there, but now she's not there.
Okay.
She's not in this class.
She'll come then. She'll come. How are you all? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what cheese do you prefer, Laughing Cow or Britannia?
I like laughing cow cheese.
Yes, it melts in your mouth.
Yes. And it's quite salty, that's why.
I had one right now only.
Okay. What are you doing, Izan? Ahmed also joined in?
He's playing games.
Which game?
I do not.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Ahmed.
Minecraft. He's playing Minecraft.
Okay. Everybody has joined except for Adiba, I guess, right? She's not there.
And Ishika, she did not join since a year.
What? What did you say?
Ishika. Ishika.
Ishika. Who is she? Who is she?
Rishika.
Ishika.
I don't know. Amatur, turn on your camera, Amatur. Where are your books? Where are your books?
Izan is playing mobile.
Where are your maths book? Yeah? Go get it. Go get it. You all know now what will come in your exam?
1 minute, ma'am. What page?
Fractions is going to come in your exams, okay?
Ma'am, what page is this?
Yeah, I'm coming to the chapter.
How down is it?
Game.
Now,
Page number. Which page number is this?
down.
Can you see the page number? 59.
What? 59. My book is so far.
Okay. Izan, stop playing game, Izan. Chalo, should we start? Adiba has joined now. Everybody come to this page.
Good morning.
Good morning. Done?
Ma'am, the types of fraction was very easy. Ma'am, 80.
This is the first group. First array.
Ma'am, Adiba, what we are learning, multiplication or division?
Yes, beta. Multiplication. I am on multiplication. Multiplication and division both are there in the chapter, but first I'm doing multiplication. Yesterday I have explained to you now what is
No,
multiplication.
division, ma'am, it's division.
Sorry?
It's division, ma'am.
Yes, it's division.
You are saying what we will do multiplication.
Both is there. Both is there. How many I made? Look. Second, how many groups do they want? How many groups? So I made that much of group. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is given to me. It is given to me. Divide 20 beans into 4 groups. In each group, how many I will place? How would you do this? 20 divided by 4. How would you do this? 20 divided by 4. 20 comes when in 4? Tell me, 4 ones are, just reduce this. 4 ones are
4.
and 4 what size 20? 4 what size 20? Tell me. 4 into
4,
what is?
5 are 20.
Very good. Very good, Adiba.
20.
So each group will contain how many beans? Each group of 4 will
20.
contain 5. Total is
5.
20. 5. Look, Afan already made it. Have you understood? So simple it is. Draw the groups
Yes,
below.
ma'am.
So easy. Have you understood? Hello.
Yes, yes,
If they would have asked you divide 20 means into 5 groups, how would you do that? Tell me, how you would have done it?
Ma'am, can I do it?
Wait. How would you do it? Now I want to divide 20 into 5 groups. So each group will contain how many beans? Each group will contain how many?
5, 4, ma'am.
Who said that?
5, 4, 20.
Who said that?
I think.
Who said 4?
Aisha.
It's correct. It's correct.
Ma'am, Adiba, I also said 4.
You also said 4. Okay, that's correct. Because, yeah,
Random,
20 divided
yes,
by
I did it.
5 ones are 5 into what is 20? 4. So what would be the answer for this? Make 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'll place 4 beans into it. Okay, Afan is doing it. This is very easy. Everybody's understanding? Yeah? Everybody understanding? Not. How many are placing? Only 4 should be there. How many? It should be only 4. What is happening? Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Aisha, Abdullah, you both stop.
Now let's go to the next question. Okay, well, I wanted to ask you people, how many of you know 10 till 10's table thoroughly? 10's table.
I know 10, 1 to 20.
Okay.
Table.
What about you, Adiba? How many tables
1
do you
to
know?
12. Table. 2 to 15. Abdullah, 1 to 12.
Okay.
Abdullah, stop doing that.
Ma'am, I know 1 to 15.
Wait,
Even
I'll just disable the annotation for everyone. Wait.
1 to 12,
Because
ma'am.
you kids don't listen only.
Ma'am, 1 to 15.
Who said 1 to 15?
Adiba.
Very nice, Adiba. I'll see this.
Ma'am,
1 to 12.
Yeah.
put Izan in the waiting room. He is not listening to us. Put
Wait,
him in
wait,
the
I'll
waiting
just
room.
disable the annotation for everyone.
No, then we can't do anything.
Ah,
Put
so
him in
good,
the
na?
waiting room.
Let me do it. Now you are distracting me, then what to do? Look. Draw, this is a fact family. Look. 4 into 5 we did now. How we made 4 groups, each having 5 beans. How much was the total? Tell me. How much was the total?
5.
20. No. How many beans were there?
20. Yes.
20.
20, ma'am.
Then we made 5 groups, each having 4 beans. How much was the 20? How much was the total? How much was the total? Again 20. I divided 20 into 4 groups. Each group was having how much? Each group was having how much? 5. Then I divided 20 into 5 groups. And each groups were having how many beans? How many beans? 4. Now let's start with this. Divide.
Ma'am, I think I know 28 into 2.
Now
Answer.
divide 28 beans into 2 groups. How would you do that?
14, I think.
28
13,
divided by
13.
14, ma'am, 14.
How did
14,
you get
14,
that?
yes, 14.
How did you get that? 2 into 14 is?
14.
Yes, 2 into 14 is what? Look,
2.
kids. Okay, tell me one thing. Do you know what this is called? You know what this is called? What is it called in division? Tell me. Ubada, please sit at your place. This is very important. You must have not done before. Adiba, you also listen. This is called dividend. Please write it. This is called what?
Dividend.
Yeah. Please write it in your book. This is called, I'll just text this.
Ma'am, I know division and all I learned.
You know it. Okay. This is called dividend. How about this? What is this called?
And ma'am, it will call quotient.
No, this is not quotient.
No, this is
This is what?
dividend.
Reminder.
This is divisor. Divisor.
Yeah.
Quotient.
And what is this?
Quotient.
Yes, this is called
Quotient.
what? Quotient.
Quotient.
And the last will be remainder.
Yeah. What is the remainder?
Remainder.
Look, what is the remainder over here? Can anyone tell me? When a number 28 comes in 2's table, right? When a number is totally divisible by divisor, then the remainder is 0. Is that clear? Remainder is what? 0. Are you understanding? Your remainder is what?
मैंने किया ऑन देखो
0.
ये देखो
0.
Okay? 0 because
Zero
28 because 28 is divisible by 28 is divisible by 2. Okay.
14.
Now tell me, how would you divide 28 into 2? It's given. How many groups do I have to make? How many groups?
Ma'am, 14.
No.
Two.
Your divisor is your group. 2.
2.
And in each group, how many I will place beans?
14. 14.
14. Very good. I'm making 2
14.
groups.
I'm write the number 14.
No, I will make it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Afan, can you make it for another this thing? Afan, 14 in the other group. I have
Ma'am,
11.
1412 divided by 4 is 353, I think.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Afan, go ahead.
2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, great. Now we have to write the fact family also. One, we got it. Okay, if I tell you, just reverse this. Just reverse this. Divisor and quotient.
For 14 multiplied by 20.
No. I told you to reverse the
No,
quotient and divisor.
14.
28
14.
divided by 14 is how much? Is how much?
28
Just
divided-
reverse. What would be the
28.
quotient? What would be the
2,
quotient?
2, 2,
2.
2.
Simple.
2.
Now, how many groups I have to make then? How many groups?
14.
14. And in each group, how many beans will be there? How many beans?
2.
Please do it. I am not doing because I don't have a space over here. Everyone do it.
Okay.
Yeah, do it. Chalo, Ubada, are you there? Are you understanding? It's very easy.
In my mobile, there comes very calls.
Please do it.
Ma'am, where? Ma'am, where?
In your notebook.
Oh,
Aisha, where else you'll do it, beta?
done.
Done, everyone done? How many groups you'll make? How many groups you'll make? 14. And each group will having how many beans? 2. This was the another fact family. Another fact. Now in terms of multiplication, how would you do Look, now in multiplication, I'll give you one example. Your dividend is always, wait, is this correct? 14 into 2 will give me how much?
12.
No,
No, 1 minute.
7, 7, 7, 7.
7.
answer is over here only.
28.
Yes,
15.
28.
Oh.
Now in multiplication, what is this called? Anyone? No one knows this? Multiplicand. What it is called?
Multiplicand, multiplicand.
Yes, multiplicand.
Multiplicand.
How about this? What is 2 called?
2.
Ma'am,
Divider.
divisor.
No, this is not
Divisor.
division. It is
Divide.
called multiplier.
Multiply.
Multiplier. How about 28? What it is called?
Quotient.
Quotient.
No, it is called product. Product.
Product.
Look,
Okay.
where your dividend in multiplication becomes product. Is that clear? What is the other? What is the other fact family?
There. Oh,
Reverse this.
dividend,
Reverse
divisor,
this. Reverse this.
quotient.
2
Reverse
into.
this. 2
Yeah,
into
Fun.
14.
Yeah,
2 into
Fun. What
14
is your
equals to
question? Tell
28.
me. What is your question?
No,
Yeah.
I was telling dividend,
Yeah. Are you understanding?
multiplicand,
This is 20.
divisor, multiplier, quotient, product.
Yes. So this
Remainder,
was all
remainder.
about multiplication and division together. Adiba, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. 15 beans into 3 groups. Come on. Who will do this? Should I clear
15
this?
beans
Have you
to
written?
3 group. Ma'am,
Please
can
write
I?
this. No, Afan, you're not doing. You have done a lot of sums now. I'll pick other person now. Plus, first, please write this. Please write this first.
Ma'am, the answer is 5.
Okay. Done, everyone? Should I clear this? Should I clear this?
Yes,
Yes. Ma'am, what is next?
Take a screenshot.
Okay, wait. I'll just stop. Done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Yes, done.
Okay.
Ma'am, 2 divided by 14
Wait.
is
I'll come back to you first. Let me scroll down. Let me go to the another question. Yeah, this is the question. Draw the groups and write down the fact family. Chalo, fast. Who has the question now? Tell me. Izan.
Ma'am, can I read the question?
Izan, then Amatur is doing this question. Ubada, why your camera is off today? Yeah. I am not feeling well and you guys have kept your camera off. Why is it so? Chalo. Where are you, Izan? Izan, are you there? Yeah, chalo, start doing the sum. Wait, I'll enable the annotation for you people.
Ma'am, can I also do?
Yes, I'll give everyone chance. There are a lot of questions. Don't worry.
And we have to
Arey, ma'am, I am going to do
The
another.
white-
Afan, you
15
got a
into
lot of
three
chance.
groups.
Wait, now let others get the chance.
Ma'am, 2 divided by 14 is
15 divided by 3.
0.14.
15 into 3 groups are there.
I mean, you just
Come on.
make five groups.
You do what
Make a
you
group
have to
out of
annotate.
five and
You
then
have to do it. Izan, you have to do it on the
5
whiteboard.
groups.
I have enabled the annotation for you. Go on. I'm seeing.
5 groups.
I don't
Yes,
see
very
the
nice.
annotation here. Ma'am, there is no annotation here.
Are, I have already enabled. I have enabled.
No, ma'am.
Now,
You
now,
disable.
now is it fine?
Now it is there.
Yeah. First make a group. Yeah, good. Ubada, I'll ask you, Ubada.
3B,
You don't do it
Ma'am,
right
can
now.
I do?
4B.
No, no, let him do it. Let him do it.
I'll draw a square for
Oh,
him.
that's a big one.
What are you doing? You're drawing a monster or what? Yeah, Izan.
No, I'm drawing
I
the
said beans. Beans has to be in, actually it is an oval shape, but you can go for a round shape. Because here we don't want a specific drawing.
Ma'am, we should even use hearts.
Yeah, you can, up to you, like Afan has done it. It's up to you.
People are annotating a
You
lot.
can use any stamp you want.
Yes.
Scene card नहीं है.
Bean.
Star is the best. Can I do
Izan,
it
how
for
much
him?
time you're taking,
1,
Izan?
2, 3,
Afan, stop it.
4,
Let him do.
5, 6. No, he can't do it. Now I'm doing for him.
He is
6,
drawing it. I can see those
7,
circles.
8,
That's wrong, Afan. That's totally wrong.
9,
There are no groups,
Ma'am,
nothing.
he is doing wrong. That's why I'm doing it.
Izan is right. At least he has
A group
placed 5 beans. Now make a square out of it. Izan means place it in one group.
Oh,
Okay, now I have to put
I
this
shall
there.
stop it, Afan. Stop it. Let him do it. Let Izan do it.
I didn't put a star at all. I don't know.
I'm
how
actually
many.
using the draw section.
It's okay.
to
It's
make
okay.
these.
I need to see your 15 beans into 3 groups. That's it. That's the question.
Wow.
Yeah, perfect.
What a
Perfect, Izan.
design.
Very nice. Go on. Go on.
he's taking
Now
too much
another
time for one.
Abdullah.
Now the
When
other-
I asked you that time, you don't do it. Okay, my video is off. I didn't even realize. Perfect. Yeah, nice. After this, Adiba is doing, huh?
Ma'am, me then after Diba.
Yeah, yeah.
I drew over a fun's line. He drawed a line and I drew over it.
Okay, there are only 2 groups, Izan, but they had asked you for 3 groups. Where's your third group?
I'm making.
I draw it for you, Izan.
No, I don't want it.
Wait, he will do it, Afan.
I think a fan is excited for his turn.
This
Can you
trick will
write
be
it in
perfect for us.
symbolically form? Division, can you write it in
Fan, I can
symbolic
just
form?
draw over yours.
It's right.
No,
it's
no,
right.
no, don't do.
3
Then I can
group,
draw over
3
your.
group, each having 5. Can you write it symbolically, the division method?
And I made my 3 groups.
Izan, it's correct. Now write it symbolically. You have drawn the diagram now. Now write it symbolically.
And a fan is reducing it.
Izan, it's enough. Don't design now. It's okay.
I'm not designing. Afan is doing it.
Afan, stop it and let him write it.
Okay, okay.
Izan, go on. Write it symbolically.
What I have to write?
15 divided by 3 is what? That you have to write.
15 divided by 3 is 5.
So write it. Okay, I'll write it for you. Leave it. The first fact family, 15. Look, this is the division symbol for in keyboard. 5. Wait, I'll just... it's all gone.
Afan gave up.
How is Afan and designing it?
Yeah. Now what can be
Doing
the
good,
other
na?
fact? Wait, now what can be the other fact? Tell me. What can be other thing? Yeah, Adiba, I want you to answer. Adiba?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What could be the other thing? Other fact? 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then what is the other way we can write it?
I want to answer, but I can't.
Yeah. Ubada, can you try? Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
5 multiplied by 2.
2. Sure.
Yeah.
You want answer as 15. Now your dividend becomes the product in multiplication. Your dividend becomes the product. So,
Ma'am, 5 3s are 15.
yes. You have to take these two, divisor and quotient.
Okay.
So,
Some people are erasing my
I did it
boxes.
by mistake. Okay. And either way round, I can say 3 into what?
3 into 5 is equals to
No, 3
15.
into 15. 3 into 15.
That what would be the one more fact is remaining. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by, again I'll take what? Tell me. 15 divided by what? Just reverse. Reverse the divisor with quotient. Reverse
3.
15 divided by 5 will give me what? 3.
15 divided
Have you understood? Okay, I want everyone to do this
I'm
question in your
designing
book.
it now.
Everyone to do this question in your book.
Ma'am, I don't have
I
a
write.
book.
I done.
16 divided by 6. Divide 6 into 4. 16 into 4. Wait, I'll just clear all this.
I don't have a book unless you're talking about a notebook.
Do it in a paper or something like that.
Ma'am, I am also.
Yeah, you have to do it. In maths, you cannot sit like this. Chalo,
But
fast.
I am also writing.
And write fact family.
Okay, ma'am.
And write fact family.
Okay.
Everyone. Abdullah, are you doing it, Abdullah? Come on, do it.
16 into 4.
Wait, I'm just scrolling it down. There are so many questions. You can take it as a homework also.
Ma'am.
This is your question, okay? Fast.
4.
16 divided by 4. Ma'am, it's multiplier or divide? Divide.
You have to understand now what it is. How can I tell you? Coming in 2 minutes, okay?
What?
My pencil is so big. Okay, it's small.
Oh.
Oh, never mind. It's too big. Man, are you popping?
Yeah, I'm back. Have you done? Everyone?
Nope. Yes.
Okay. What is the answer?
4, ma'am. 4.
Okay.
4, man.
But how did
60
you write?
divided by 4 is 4.
16 divided by 4. What can be the other
Divided
fact
by-
family? What can be the other fact
16
family?
16 divided by 4 is equal to 14.
Yes. Why 14? Why 14?
4, man.
4
Divided
only,
by
na? 4
Yes.
only.
Yes, 4.
It's one and the same thing. Aisha, let me write it. Then what comes next?
Ma'am,
Next
next is
4 divided by 4.
divided by 4 is equals to 4.
You are
16,
wrong.
16.
You are wrong. 4 divided by 4 is not 16.
Ma'am, no, 4 divided by 4 is 1.
So, in multiplication, what you have to take? The divisor and quotient. And your product would be your dividend. So, 4 into 4 equals to?
Is plus
16.
to 16.
Yes. Is that clear? It was so easy. Everyone? Everyone?
Yeah, I am done, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now look.
Ma'am, what?
Now divide
wait.
24 bins. Can you do all these questions? Can you do all these questions?
Okay.
Yeah. 7th one, I am doing it. Rest you can take it as a homework. There are
Okay, ma'am.
36 students in a class. How many students?
36.
How many different ways can the students be arranged into equal groups? Think, think, think. We want equal groups. Think.
36 students in a class.
We want to make an equal groups. That group can be anything.
Anything. 36, na?
Yeah.
Ma'am, 18 plus 18 is equals to 36.
You will make two groups, only two groups. Don't you think in one group 18 students would be more? Yeah, Afan? Take a smaller number. Make 9 groups. Make 9 groups. So 36 divided by 9 is how much? 36 divided by 9 is how much? 4. Each group will have how many students?
4.
I am making 9 groups.
4, 4,
Yes.
4.
Is it easy?
Yes.
9 fours are 36. It's very easy.
Yep.
Ma'am,
Okay, I'll do this
What?
sum again. Okay. I'll do this sum again next when I meet on Thursday. For your examination,
Then
fractions is
bye.
going to come. Fractions. Types of fractions and fractions which we have done for your upcoming examination. Okay. Bye everyone. Take care.
what day?
Bye.
Ma'am, what day?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.